In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view stock heat maps in Tradingview. A stock heat map is a visual way to quickly see how different stocks are performing, usually using colors to show whether prices are going up or down and by how much. It's especially useful if you want a fast overview of the market without digging into each individual chart. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from opening Tradingview all the way to pulling up the stock heat map, and I'll explain what you're looking at along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You don't need to log in just to view the basic heat map, so this is something you can do even if you're just checking the markets quickly from a new device or a public computer. Give the page a moment to load so all the menus and options appear correctly. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, move your attention to the top of the screen. There, you'll see a main navigation bar with several options. Look for the one labeled Products. This is where Tradingview groups many of its tools, including charts, screeners, and, of course, heat maps. Hover your mouse over Products or click it if needed to open the drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see a list of different tools that Tradingview offers. From here, look for the section related to markets or stocks. You should see an option that mentions stocks or stock-related tools. Within that area, select the option that takes you to the stock section. In many layouts, this is where you'll find access to the stock heat map. When you click into stocks, Tradingview will take you to a dedicated page focused on stock market data. On this page, look for a tab or link labeled Heat Map or Stock Heat Map. Clicking this will bring up a grid of colored blocks, each one representing a different stock. Once the heat map loads, you'll notice that the colors usually indicate performance. For example, green shades often mean a stock is up and red shades mean it's down. The intensity of the color typically reflects how big the move is. The size of each block is often tied to the company's market capitalization, so larger companies appear as bigger tiles. You can usually hover over any block to see more details, like the ticker symbol, company name, and percentage change. That's all you need to start viewing stock heat maps in Tradingview. With just a few clicks, you can scan the market and spot strength and weakness across different sectors in seconds.